I collect fountain pens. Most common pen that most people are familiar with is a ballpoint, but you've got to really push that and pull it on the paper when you're writing, and it can be tiring. Fountain pen flow changes with the angle of your hand, sometimes with the pressure. Everyone writes with black and blue, so I try to choose something so that when I've written something, even if it's just my signature, people can see that, even a few paces across the room and go, oh, that must be Lazar. My name is Eric Lazar, and I'm the chair of surgery at Valley Medical Group and a pediatric surgeon. Sort of always thought that I wanted to work with children, so I knew it would be something with children. And I was talking to my chief resident, and she asked, what are you interested in doing? And I said, well, I really love surgery, but I like kids. But then pediatrics didn't really hold my interest the way surgery does. And she said, well, why not pediatric surgery? I'm going to be a pediatric surgeon, and she is. And she introduced me to the people in the division. I started rotating with them and hanging out with them. And I realized that it was great. I could have a career doing something that I really wanted. And I sort of thought they invented it for me. I like to think of the patients really, I know it may sound cliche, but like my own family. These are people who are not feeling well, there's something wrong, they want help. And so I do try to cut through a lot of the formalities and get right down to that. I try to explain things and to help them experience things in the way that helps them to understand what's happening. I love my family, and I have 3 grown daughters. They have things going on and you become part of their lives. We just adopted 2 puppies, 2 golden doodle puppies. I don't know if they're a hobby or a chore or a plague or a joy. They're all of those things. But right now it's the puppies. It's all about the puppies.